green, pink, blue. What color is this? Perfect! It's yellow. Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have Barbie candy bath. Candy bath? How can that be? Isn't it supposed to be water? Let's find out. Here's Barbie's white bathtub. Let's take off her dress. Her beautiful pink dress. Now let's start Barbie's candy bath. Chocolate candies. Yellow. Blue. Pink. Last one. What color is this? Is this orange? Oh, thank you. Very good. It's green. Green chocolate candies. Now let us find surprises in Barbie's bag. Oh, I see one. Shopkins. We got party plate. Let's find some more. Let's see another one. Looks like the fishbowl. Goldie fishbowl. Oh, I see another one. We got a drink. We got berry smoothie. Woolly hat. Okay, there's no more. See one? Oh, here it is. We got another one. Looks like we have the balloon. It's June balloon. Another one. Breadcrumbs. Barbie's going back to the top. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.